Find 10 rational numbers between minus 6 upon 10 and 1 upon 5. Let's find out. Minus 6 upon 10 and 1 upon 5. How will you find? First, we have to make their denominator set. Now, when you see what is the denominator of this number 10 and what is the denominator of this number 5. With 5 and 10 both are coming in the same table, the LCM will be 10. We can write here LCM of 5 and 10 is equal to 10. Now, we want to make their denominator 10, but it's denominator already 10, so no need to multiply any numbers. We can write as it is. Now, in this case, we want to make its denominator 10. So, how will you make this LCM should be divided by 5 till you get 2. So, this 1 upon 5 should be multiplied by 2. This minus 6 upon 10 will come as it is. So, when you multiply 2 and that 2 into 5 the 10. Okay, there are many things students they think that we got the 10 number. No. Minus 6 and 2. Between minus 6 and 2, which number will lie here? Minus 5, minus 4, minus 3. Okay, I will show you with the help of number line. Okay, this is the number line and this is our 0. This is 1, 2. This is 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, this minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, and here minus. We have to find how many numbers are lying between this steps. You can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Only 7, but we need to find out 10. Okay, we use the concept of 10. If we multiply this minus 6 upon 10 can be written as multiplied by 10, that becomes minus 60 upon 100, and this 2 upon 10 multiplied by 10, that becomes 20 upon 100. It becomes very easy to find out the required rational number. Let's see. We can write here minus 6 upon 10 can be written as, we can write here directly. Yeah, you don't want to write direct, so I multiplied by 10 here also and here, so that you are able to understand. 2 multiplied by 10 here, 2, 10 multiplied 10, so what we get here? Minus 60 upon 100, and here 20 upon 100. Okay, in this case also, now you are able to compare. There are many number are lying any between minus 60 and between 20. You can write any rational number. So I can write here, hence required. How many number we have to write? 10. So I can write here, hence required 10 rational numbers between minus 6 upon 10 and 1 upon 5. Okay, already I made you clear these are the equivalent fraction. What equivalent fraction having some value? So we can write minus 6 upon 10 and 1 upon 5. Now we have to see before 20, what will come here? 19. Okay, you also can write 1 upon 100, 2 upon 100, because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, all the number will lie between this up to 90, and here up to minus 59. So here I am writing here, which number I am taking here? 1 upon 100, 2 upon 100, 3 upon 100, 4 upon 100, 5 upon 100, 6 upon 100, 7 upon 100, 8 upon 100, 9 upon 100, and 10 upon 100. These are our required 10 decimal numbers. You can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Got it? Let's see. In the 100 rational numbers between minus 4 upon 17 and 11 upon 17. We write here minus 4 upon 17 and 11 upon 17. What is the first step? First, we have to make their denominators same. But in this case, already denominators are same. Okay, so we can compare numerator. When you compare the numerator, we don't get a 100 rational number. Now, but we need to find out the 100 rational number. So, how will you find out? It is very simple. If I multiply minus 4 upon 17, you know that this minus 4 upon 17 can be written 40 upon 170. How? By multiplying by 10. If multiply by 10. Also, you can multiply by 100. It is depend on your choice. How many rational numbers do you want to find out between these two numbers? 100 only. That's why I'm multiplying by 10 only. Okay. 11 upon 70 multiplied by 10. If I multiply it by 10, then I get minus 40 upon 170. And it becomes 110 upon 170. Now, it is very easy to find out the 100 rational number. Where is minus 40? Minus 39 up to 109. Already you got here. How should you count here? 1 upon 170, 2 upon 170. Like this, you will write up to 100. Already you got the 100 rational number. We can write here. Hence, 100 rational numbers. 100 rational numbers between which two numbers? Minus 4 upon 17, minus 4 upon 17, and 11 upon 17 are. What can we write here? It depends on your choice. I am writing a 1 upon 170, 2 upon 170, 3 upon 170. It is not possible to write all 100 rational numbers. That's why blah 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 blah. And at last, which number I would like to take? Here I am writing here 100 upon 170. Is that clear? This is the required answer. This is all numbers. Also, you can write up to where you should write here. If you want to write the more numbers, you can write here up to 109 upon 100. Got it? Let's see. In this question, find 10 rational numbers between 4 upon 7 and 1 upon 10. We have to find 10 rational numbers. Okay, what is the method? As you know that first we have to make their denominator same. We can write here 4 upon 7 and 1 upon 2. What is the LCM of 7 and 2? Because both are prime number, their product will be their LCM. So directly we can write here LCM of 7 and 2 is equal to 40. Okay. Now we are going to make their denominator 14. How will you make their denominator 14? This 14 LCM 14 should be divided by 7. So we get 2. Now more 4 upon 7 should be multiplied by 2. And here this 1 upon 2 is 14 divided by 2. So you get 7. So this 1 upon 2 should be multiplied by 7. What do you get here? 4 to the 8. So we can write 8. 7 to the 14. And here 7 with the 7. 7 to the 14. Here now denominator are same. Now we can compare numerator. When we compare numerator, so what we find? We find that if they don't have any number between them. So how will you find? It is very simple. We will use the concept. One more concept I want to make it clear. When the numerators are not having any number between them, in that case, if you want to 10, how many number you want to find here? 10 number. So you get 10 plus 1, 11. If you multiply both by 11, so you will get exactly 10 rational number. Okay. How many rational number you will get? Exactly 10. How? Let's see. 10 plus 1, how many number we have to find? 10. So that's why I am multiplying by 11, both numerator and denominator. Okay, let's see. Multiply 8 upon 14, multiply 11, and here multiplied by 11. And 7 upon 14, multiplied by 11, multiplied by 11. When you multiply, so what we get? 11 and 88. Now 11 plus 4 the 44. Carry 4, 11 with the 11, 4, 50, 154. And here 11 7 the 77. Multiply 154. Now let's see. When you find how many rational number you are getting here, when you recite counting after 77, what will come? 78. We can write here. Hence, recite 77 after what will come? 78 upon 154. Then 79 upon 154. 80 upon 154. 81 upon 154. 82 upon 154. 83 upon 154. 84 upon 154. 85 upon 154, 86 upon 154, and 87 upon 154. Now you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exactly 10 as number you are getting between them. Okay, so we can write here and 78 upon these numbers are added on 54 will lie between which number? Actually, our actual number is 4 upon 7. These are the equivalent fractions. Okay, 4 upon 7, 88 upon 154, 1 upon 2, and this 77 upon 154. That's why we can write here 4 upon 7 and 1 upon 2. Is that clear? 4 upon 7 and 1 upon 2. This is our required answer. Got it? Find find any 5 rational number between 1 upon 6 and 1 upon 5. So we can write here 1 upon 6 and 1 upon 5. Okay, we want 5 rational number. So first we have to make the denominator same so that we can compare their numerator. Okay. In this case, what will be the LCM? This 5 is the prime number, 6 composite. When you multiply, the net product will be LCM. So we can write here LCM of 5 and 6. What is the product? 5, 6, 30. So we can write here. Now this 30 should be divided by 6, so you get 5. When you multiply this, what we get here 1 upon 6 multiplied by 5. And this 1 upon 5, this 30 divided by 5, so you get 6. So 1 upon 5 should be multiplied by 6. What we get here 5 upon 30. And here 6 upon 30. And what we find here, the denominator are same. But between 5 and 6, when we compare, between 5 and 6, we don't have any rational number. Then how will you find the 5 rational number? It is very easy. I have made you clear. If they are, how many number you want to find? 5. So you put 5 plus 1, so you get 6. So if you multiply by 6, both numerator and denominator, you get exactly how many numbers? 5 rational number. Otherwise, also you can multiply by 10. So when you multiply by 10, it becomes 50 upon 300, this becomes 60 upon 300. In that case also, you can write any 5 rational number. That is very easy method. But when you find the exactly, so if I multiply by 5 upon 30 by 6, also you can multiply. If you don't want to multiply 6, you can multiply 10 also. And which you think easy, that number you can type. Here I am taking 6 because I want exact number. 6 and 6 upon 30 multiplied by 6. Why I am multiplying by 6? Because I want to find out 5. And which case we have to multiply by 6? Once again, I want to make you clear, if there is no any rational number between them. In that case, we are able to find the exact number of rational number. Otherwise, in other case, you can find as many as rational number as you want. We can write 5, 6 is 30, 6, 3 is 6, 0 is 0, 6, 3 is adding, and 6, 6 is 36. And here 1 upon 80. So we can write here, hence 5 rational number required 5 rational number required 5 rational numbers between which number? 1 upon 6 and 1 upon 5. Between 1 upon 6 and 1 upon 5. Which now you can write here 30 and 36. 5 number 31 upon 180, 32 upon 180, 33 upon 180, 34 upon 180, and 35 upon 180. Exactly, look here. Got it?